Come see 5311 Torwood Court in sought-after Sterlingshire East, Greensboro, North Carolina. This home sits on a corner lot with a fully fenced, fantastic backyard and multiple outdoor entertaining areas. The gorgeous stone-floored rocking chair front porch leads through the entry, where wood floors and a coffered ceiling frame the formal dining room. A gracious kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, smooth surface range, and tumbled tile backsplash. This kitchen also has a large eat-in island overlooking the large great room with gas log fireplace. The breakfast area opens to the sunroom, surrounded by windows, and opening to the large deck and patio, perfect for entertaining. Through the great room is access from the garage, a convenient nook, full bath, and the main level bedroom with rear-facing window. At the top of the stairs to the left is the bright and sunny loft. Continuing is the upstairs full bath with tub shower combination. Just next door is bedroom 3, with private access to the Jack and Jill bath. Through the hallway, the upstairs laundry is just beside bedroom 4. Also with private access to the shared bath. Across the hallway, the large master suite has a trade ceiling, ceiling fan, his and hers closets, and a master bath with walk-in shower, garden tub, and dual vanities. To recap, 5311 Torwood Street is a 4-bed, 3 full bath home on a fenced-in corner lot in desirable Sterlingshire East. This home features wood floors, sunroom, and a beautiful backyard. For more information, please contact Rhonda Turbyfil 336-207-7070.